Everybody, welcome to week 2, module 2. We're going to be looking at understanding people at work. I will be starting to grade your assignments and then listen to your introductions this week. So I'll be looking for some feedback. So in this way, in this module, we're going to look at how people are similar and different and how we can try to understand them. So take a look at chapters 3 and 4 of your textbook. The journal this week, we have 3 different articles and a video about being your true authentic self, a discussion board, a written assignment, and a journal. So the discussion board is going to have you take a look at the SAS case at the beginning of chapter 4, and then the fortune list of best companies to work for. You may have maybe been a member of an organization who won this award, or have seen companies that market their accomplishments of being the best companies to work for in your area. So here I'm going to ask you to evaluate your current organization as a best place to work. And so if you are not currently working, you can use your educational organization, the Citadel, as a best place to work. So share with everybody else why you think SAS and the other organizations get on the list. Evaluate your current and most recent employer or recent employer on these same criteria. Make some recommendations for your organization about how they could increase satisfaction, commitment, OCBs. And then finally, as a leader, what can you do? What will you do to create that kind of workplace for your people? So the assignment, the written assignment here has you looking at person, organization, and person job fit. So the first activity is to complete the Catch Your Dreams assignment. You do not have to submit your list, but go through that activity as a learning experience. And then talk about what you learned, what struck you. What values do you hold? So this assignment and the journal kind of go together. And then assess your own current person job fit and person organization fit. And finally, what are your conclusions after kind of looking at all those different experiences? So that's a written assignment just for you and me. And then the journal this week is for the characteristic of embracing a true and authentic self. So Bill George has written a great book about becoming an authentic leader called True North. So if you're interested in this, you might take a look. So for this assignment, or for this journal, I'm asking you to draw a picture of the path of your life to date. So I gave you an example of mine. The lower left is birth and the upper right is today. You don't have to submit your drawing, but the idea is to have you think about major experiences, important experiences in your life. Okay, so answer the following questions. And so really what we're looking for, or one of the important things we're looking for, is the crucible. It's the most difficult challenge you've faced so far, and how you have or might turn this crucible into a growth opportunity. So that's week 2, module 2. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good week.